Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Today I have recreated a different technique to curl your hair under 15 minutes. This is still something you can do if you're short on time, if you're on a hurry, if you just don't got much time in your hands to play with your hair. This is still under 15 minutes. But it is a different technique than my last video that I did. With that being said, if you like what you see, go ahead and continue watching. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and start off by brushing my hair. It is important to make sure you get rid of any tangles you might have. Second, I'm going to grab my dry shampoo. I'm going to part my hair in sections so that I can apply my shampoo evenly through. I'm only going to spray on the roots I feel are too oily. I'll continue to massage that into my scalp. Then I'm going to grab my heat protector and spray that on my tips to protect them from split ends. This step is crucial, please don't skip. I preheated my 3-inch curler. I try to stay a little above medium. You don't need the extra heat, it's not necessary, you'll only burn your hair faster. I honestly feel that you save so much time when you don't part your hair in sections, so I'm only putting away half my hair. I'm going to start with the back. I'm grabbing thick sections and curling upwards. I'm holding the curl for about 10 seconds. Sections don't have to be perfect. This will help the curls look more natural. Once I've reached the front of my face, I'm going to start grabbing smaller sections. I like using this technique because it'll lift up the curl higher and frame my face beautifully. I'm going to go ahead and spray some more hairspray to lock in those curls. I'm going to go ahead and spray my baby hairs away, and I'm also going to quickly comb the side of my head just to give it more of an elegant look. Alright guys, there you have it, another way to curl your hair under 15 minutes. We came to the end of the video, and I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below. But with that being said, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys on the next one.